Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. Today I am going to share another interesting and the most prevalent topic, that is big data. I hope that you must have heard this term. From the last few years, the use of internet, mobile and IoT devices are generating massive volume of data regularly. This growth of data has given birth to a new term known as big data. Let's understand what is big data. At a very core level, we can say that big data is the amount of data that is too big, complex and not manageable with the traditional database systems. In general, the term big data refers to a data set which is too large or too complex for ordinary computing devices to process. After understanding the brief meaning of the big data, the next question that strikes in our mind, is there any threshold for the big data? Yes, in general, as far as the size of data is considered, the data of 1 petabyte or greater is known as big data. However, volume is not a single criterion that is associated with the big data. There are other dimensions also, starting from 3V to 5V and finally now 7V model. Here 7V means that there are 7 dimensions of the big data. Let's understand the 7V one by one. Volume, the size of the data. As far as the size is concerned, the data of 1 petabyte or more comes under the category of big data. Velocity, the speed with which the data is being created. Variety highlights the type of data, that is whether it is structured, semi-structured or unstructured. In structured data, there is fixed structure for the data. For example, in the relational model, the data is stored and processed in the form of relations only. That's why relational model is also known as structured model. However, nowadays we need to deal with structured as well as non-structured data set. Variability, the frequency with which the data is being updated or being changed. Veracity deals with accuracy and maintainability of the data. Visualization, data displayed in the form of charts and graph, that is the graphical representation of the data. Last but not least, value, the real utilization of the data. I hope that each and every aspect of this brief session will be clear to all of you. For more update and technical insight of computer science, please do like this video and subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. Thank you.